Hey everyone, welcome back to Anindo's Art Hub. Today's video is an absolute delight as I'm about to embark on a heartwarming journey. Guess what? It's about surprising the incredibly talented Suchanda with a specially crafted sketch of mine. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future creative adventures of mine. Now, let's dive into this excitement. Well, as you can probably tell, I am beyond excited for today's adventure. Suchanda is not just an Insta influencer, she is a maestro in the world of Mehendi and Alpona art. Her creations are true testament to the beauty of art, and today I get this incredible opportunity to gift her something from my own artistic journey. How great is that? I know, right? Well, if you believe me, I have poured heartfelt love and dedication of mine into this sketch, carefully incorporating elements that echo Suchanda's extraordinary artistic voyage. From the delicate swirls of Mehendi designs to the intricate details of Alpona patterns, every stroke in this sketch tells a story of admiration and inspiration. I just can't really wait to share this moment with all of you. To add an extra touch of magic, we have chosen Raj's Spanish Cafe in the heart of Park Street as the meeting spot. The ambience is perfect, and I believe it'll complement the surprise beautifully. Well, join me, all of you, as we head to this charming location for the big reveal. It's going to be unforgettable, I can swear. Alright, enough talking. Let's head to Raj's Spanish Cafe right now and create a moment of joy for Suchanda. I know you're as excited as I am for this purpose.
I am so thank you. একটু ভালো করে র্যাপ করা Oh my God.
How do you like it?
Wonderful. This is so good.
I am so glad.
I have no idea how crazy I'm going right now.
It's my pleasure. All my pleasure. ভালো লেগেছে?
Beautiful. Unexpected.
Sure. I'm super excited.
I am more excited.
Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video and want to join me on more creative escapades, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating, keep spreading positivity, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.